How to confirm receipt on PayPal. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to launch open any web browser and head over to paypal.com, or you can also launch open the PayPal app on your device. Now make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to go to your activity. For that, tap on these three lines, then tap on the activity option. Here, you want to find and click on the original payment of the item. Now, click on the Confirm Receipt option, then click Yes to confirm that you received the order. When you click Yes, the payment will be available to your seller. To help protect the security of your transaction, the button to confirm receipt is available 48 hours after your payment date. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.